Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting VN ready and your input method set. Open VN and confirm it's updated. Older builds may strip emoji support. Next, enable the emoji keyboard in your device settings so you can paste or type during edits. Grant VN permissions for storage and microphone if you plan to use emoji stickers or voiceover with emoji captions. Once done, create a new project and import a clip. You now have the environment to insert, style, and time emoji elements precisely. You'll place emoji using the text tool or VN sticker browser. Paste directly from the emoji keyboard for exact glyphs. Once an emoji is on screen, make sure to scale and rotate for composition and set opacity to blend with footage. Use keyframes to animate movement or to lock an emoji to a subject. This creates engaging motion. If you need composite effects, group emoji with a text layer and apply a single animation preset so they move together smoothly throughout the clip. You'll finish by exporting while preserving emoji quality. Choose an appropriate codec and bitrate so emoji remain crisp, especially at 4K or high zoom. If emoji look pixelated, replace text glyph emoji with a high-resolution PNG sticker or increase export bitrate. That prevents rasterization. If your emoji fail to appear, make sure VN and your OS are updated, clear the app cache, and re-import the media. These steps usually resolve rendering or font fallback problems and ensure your final video looks polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.